Good morning, sir. My name is Rahul Tripathi, and I'm going to give the presentation on measure of central tendency with their applications and drawbacks. First, I would like to say introductions. Measure of central tendency are statistical measures which describe the positions of a distribution. They are also called statistics of locations and are the complement of statistics of dispersion, which provide information concerning the variance or distributions of observation. In the univariate context, the mean, median, and mode are the most commonly used measures of central tendency. Computable values on a distribution that discuss the behavior of the center of a distribution. Measure of central tendency. The value or the figure which represents the whole series is neither the lowest value in the series nor the highest. It lies somewhere between these two extremes. First point, the average represents all the measurements made on a group and gives a concise descriptions of the group as a whole. Second point is when two or more groups are measured, the central tendency provide the basics of comparisons between them. First one, we would see the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is a mathematical average and it is the most popular measures of central tendency. It is frequently referred to as mean. It is obtained by dividing sum of the values of all observations in a series, sigma x, by the number of items n constituting the series. Thus, mean of a set of numbers x1, x2, x3, xn denoted by x bar, and it is defined by mean is equals to sum of the items upon number of the item is equals to formula sigma x upon n. Median. Median is the central value of the distribution or the value which divide the distributions in equal parts, each part containing equal number of items. Thus, it is the central value of the variable when the values are arranged in order of magnitude. So, Conner has defined as the median is that value of the variable which divide the group into two equal parts, one part comprising of all value greater and the other all value less than median. Calculations of median in discrete series. First, we arrange the data in ascending or descending order, calculate the CF, apply the formula. That is median M is equals to size of bracket n plus 1 upon 2 item. Calculations of median is continuous series. For calculations of median in a continuous frequency distribution, the following formula will be employed algebraically. Median M is equals to L1 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. Mode. Mode is the most frequent value or score in the distribution. It is defined as that value of the item in a series. It is denoted by the capital letter Z. Highest point of the frequency distribution curve. Formula for mode. That is L plus upon Fm bracket F1 into height upon Fm minus N1 plus Fm minus F2. What will be the application? First, data analysis. Second, business report. Third, research presentations. Fourth, financial reports. And in last, educational presentations. What will be the drawbacks? There are several drawbacks of measures of central tendency which include outliers. Outliers means measure of central tendency are affected by extreme values or outliers which can skew the result. Second, limited information. Measure of central tendency provide only a single value to describe the data, which can be limited in providing complete understanding of the data set. Third is non-representative. The mode may not accurately represent the central value of data set in case where there are several values with similar frequency. Fourth, bias sample. Measure of central tendency can be affected by bias sample, which can lead to inaccurate conclusion. Last, skewed distribution. In cases where the data is not normally distributed, the mean may not accurately represent the central tendency and the median or mode may be more appropriate measures. In last, conclusion. Measure of central tendency are statistical tool used to determine the typical or central value of a data set. The three most commonly used measure of central tendency are the mean, median, and mode. These measures are widely used in various fields such as finance, research, and healthcare to provide a general idea of the data. However, this measure have limitations and drawbacks such as being affected by outliers, not providing information on the variability or spread of the data, and not accurately representing the central value of the data in some cases. Therefore, measure of central tendency should be used in conjunction with other statistical tools to provide a more complete understanding of the data. Thank you.